Hi, James here of jamesreeseonline.com. I want to welcome you to this channel and thank you for watching this video, High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, the three most profitable niches. If you're an aspiring high ticket affiliate marketer looking for the most profitable niches, well, you're in luck because today I've got something very special in store for you. We're going to go through a quick overview of the three most profitable niches for high ticket affiliate marketing. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon, and stay updated on all the tips and insights as we look at the world of online business and marketing. I ask that you watch this video all the way through to the end so that you have the most information available to you to make the best decision possible. And for staying to the end, I have a free gift available for you all the way at the end of this video. Now, let's get going. First up, we have the health niche. It's a thriving industry with a growing number of health-conscious consumers. People are willing to invest a lot in their well-being, and this makes the health niche a great opportunity for high-ticket affiliate marketers. Categories in this niche include things like high-end fitness equipment. This is your treadmills, your ellipticals, rowing machines, other top-of-the-line fitness equipment. And people are willing to spend a lot on these things for the convenience of staying home and not having to go out to a public gym. There's also luxury health supplements. These products have unique formulations with high quality ingredients in them. There are personalized health coaching programs, exclusive wellness retreats, high value health courses, premium medical devices like smartwatches with health monitoring features, maybe advanced blood pressure monitors. All these things can be considered high ticket items. There's high end skincare and beauty products, exclusive health membership programs. There are high value health books and publications, and even top tier fitness apparel and gear can be considered high ticket items. I know that some of these programs do have requirements before you can become an affiliate, like having a certain number of followers and things like that. But there are relatively few barriers for you to get started in this niche. These are just a few examples of high ticket affiliate products in the health niche. Always research the products for yourself. Research the affiliate programs and research your target audience. That way you can make sure that you're aligning with your audience's needs and their interests, and that helps you maximize your earning potential. Moving on, next we have the wealth niche. There are many opportunities available in the wealth niche for those looking to achieve financial prosperity. This niche caters to individuals seeking ways to grow their income, invest wisely, and attain that financial freedom. In this niche, we have things like exclusive investment courses, personal finance coaching programs, one-on-one financial guidance, and personalized wealth management plans. There are wealth management services, real estate investment programs, exclusive stock market analysis tools, high-end cryptocurrency training. Yes, cryptocurrency is still a thing. It's still something that people are investing in, and the market's moving up and down all the time. There's high-value financial newsletters, even luxury credit cards. There's high-tier business coaching, and there's even private equity investment opportunities. Now, your audience in this niche will likely be more discerning and cautious when it comes to financial matters. So providing valuable content and genuine recommendations of products that you know and trust in is essential in this niche. The third niche we're going to talk about is the relationship niche. This is last but not least. It's a market that's always in demand as people seek guidance in their personal connections. Now, this is a sensitive niche, and people are generally very discerning when seeking any product for a service in this niche. This niche includes things like exclusive dating coaching programs, luxury relationship retreats to strengthen the bonds and improve communication with the connections they already have. There are personal development seminars, relationship counseling services, high-end matchmaking services, premium marriage enrichment programs, relationship coaching certification programs, exclusive relationship mastermind groups, premium communication courses, and VIP couple experiences. And these are luxury experiences, vacations designed for couples looking to create memorable and romantic moments together. People are looking for a real connection with another person and to further deepen the connections that they already have. They're willing to invest a lot into finding and keeping that connection. In this niche, You could be the bridge that brings them to the right service to find that special connection. So there you have it. The three most profitable niches for high ticket affiliate marketing: health, wealth, and relationships. Now, this has been a quick rundown of these niches and nowhere near exhaustive of what's actually out there for you to discover. Each of these niches offers excellent potential for you to earn substantial commissions as an affiliate marketer. Remember, the key to success in high ticket affiliate marketing lies in understanding your audience's needs and providing them with valuable solutions. Starting and continuing in this business, as with all others, takes time and dedication to have it grow and thrive. So, whichever niche you choose, ensure it aligns with your passion and your interests. I hope that after watching this video, you're even more interested in starting a business of your own with high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, besides the obvious large passive income you can generate in this space, there are many more benefits as well. With high ticket affiliate marketing, there's no product creation, there's no stock to hold, there's no staff needed, and you can do it from home while still maintaining a full-time job. There's also many free tools to help you get started, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now, I believe in the potential of high ticket affiliate marketing for you as well as me, and that's why I'm offering you the free gift I mentioned at the start of this video. I have provided for you a free cheat sheet that lays out the 3 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job using high ticket affiliate marketing. Simply click on the link in the pinned comment below, and then you can access that free information. I want to thank you again for watching this video, High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, the 3 most profitable niches. That's all I have for right now, and if you did enjoy this video, got anything out of it, please like it, and remember to subscribe for more content that I create for you. Let me know your thoughts and which niche resonates with you the most in the comments below, and don't forget to click that link for your free gift. Now let's get out there and do something great.